The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that it is the duty of the civil servants to respond promptly to the grievances and problems of the common people. She stated that young officers must take such innovative measures which are beneficial to the citizens and the country in the short and long term. She was addressing a group of officer trainees undergoing a special foundation course at Haryana Institute of Public Administration who called on her at Rashtrapati Bhavan today. Appreciating the role of civil servants in the multifaceted development of the country, President Murmu said that they are also responsible for strengthening the unity and integration of the nation.
भारतीय समाज और आध्यात्मिक परंपरा में कल्याण तथा शक्ति की अवधारणा को विशेष स्थान और सम्मान दिया गया। प्राचीन काल में भी गार्गी, मैत्री, ओपाला, रौसा और लोपामुद्रा से लेकर भारतीय संविधान के निर्माण में अमूल्य योगदान देने वाली हमारी संविधान सभा के 15 सदस्यों ने विदुषी और विभूतियों ने अग्रणी स्थान देने की हमारी परंपरा रही है।